Here's a block diagram of the whole system. This was developed by Bell Labs and is actually an analog computer. It would take data from the SCR-584 to determine where the target was at a given moment and project ahead to where it would be a short time later. The anti-aircraft gun. Either the US's 90mm or the British 3.7-inch gun would fire. Since it takes time for the shell to reach the predicted point, the system would send direction information to the anti-aircraft guns, telling them exactly where to aim and when to fire. This ensured that the shell and the aircraft would intersect. When the SCR-584 systems were first deployed to Great Britain, they were set up along the southern coast to intercept V-1 flying bombs before they could reach London and devastate the civilian population. The V-1s were a weapon of mass terror. Without radar, the British aircraft had a reasonable kill rate, but it wasn't as effective as it could have been. Leo Sullivan, upon arrival, realized that the operators, who were just getting familiar with the system, didn't understand the manuals. In his autobiography, Leo describes how they obtained a Red Cross ambulance, painted over the white cross, filled it with SCR-584 manuals, and went from gun battery to radar battery, teaching the operators how to use the system. They worked day and night, and soon the operators were getting it right, one after another. The kill rate improved significantly, nearing 100% by the time the V-1 launching sites were overrun by Allied forces after the Normandy invasion. Leo's book mentions a success rate of 97 out of 104 over a certain period, showing how much of a difference the system made in air defense. Around the same time, another young operator from Rad Lab was sent to the Anzio beachhead in Italy. The Germans controlled the high ground, bombarding the troops on the beach. The Allies had been using the SCR-268 radar, which the Germans could easily jam. When the SCR-584s were brought in and set up with 90mm anti-aircraft guns and the M9 system, the results were immediate. The first night, the Germans sent over 12 bombers, and the system shot down 7 of them. After such heavy losses, no pilot wanted to fly. A week later, the Germans sent just 1 bomber, which was shot down, and they stopped sending bombers altogether. This demonstrates the effectiveness of the SCR-584 system. It was a game-changer in air defense,